Hello everyone, this is Robert Marzullo and welcome to my class on how to draw superheroes creating comic book cover art. In this class you'll work with me through this entire piece. So we'll start with a rough sketch of a pose. We'll talk about how to make changes to that pose, how to refine the line work, and how to adjust it on the fly to get the most out of it. So we're going to be covering lots of the techniques that go into drawing comics every day, everything from backgrounds and perspective, how to detail the work, how to not get frustrated and bogged down by all the ideas that you want to put in there, where to make your focal points, how to ink the work. So it's basically a very comprehensive start to finish of this entire project. We're going to talk about colors, laying in flats, applying effects over top. You will see the interface of the software that I'm using for the colors, but you're welcome to use whatever you want. I try to explain it in a way that can be versatile. So by the end of this class, you'll complete a full-fledged comic book cover. I'd love to see the work that you come up with, and I thank you for the support. Keep drawing, keep having fun, and bye for now.